Alright, how's it going everyone, and welcome to a review that I'm very excited to make. I'd like to start by saying that this video is sponsored by Rhinoshield. If you somehow don't know what Rhinoshield is, it is a case making company that makes military grade cases for your phones. And the cool thing about Rhinoshield compared to all your other military grade cases is the fact that they do not sacrifice style, design and comfort of your phone cases. So you can get military grade protection for your smartphones, at the same time keep them looking good and comfortable to hold. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So apart from military grade phone cases, Rhinoshield also provides cases for your AirPods Pro, your Apple Watch, several really good tempered glasses, lens protectors, and a lot of other cool stuff. You can check them out in their website. Speaking of links, if you head to the Rhinoshield website through the link in the description, you get to subscribe to the newsletter where you'll be getting the latest updates on the latest products and promotional events and even special offers. And here's the cool part: if you subscribe to them, you get a $10 gift voucher on the month of your birthday, which is very cool. Not to forget, you should also check out the Rhinoshield Asia Instagram page, and over there you get to see exclusive products, promotions, and you get to DM them and inquire on anything you want to know about Rhinoshield products. So all the links that I mentioned will be in the description below. You can go check them out, but first I need you to subscribe to the channel. If you stay to the end, you'll be able to find out on how you can get a special discount code on your next purchase on Rhinoshield. So yeah, let's get to the video. Well, I'm excited for this case review. I've been a huge fan of Rhinoshield for years, and well, I reached out to them and they agreed to send me a couple of cool cases to review. So among the cases that they've sent is a SolidSuit case for the iPhone X, a Mkbhd NX case for the iPhone 11 Pro, alongside with a custom backplate, which I love. I'm glad that they had this. It's the PewDiePie custom backplate. This is awesome.
Very nice.
And another one is the Rhinoshield Crashguard NX for the Apple Watch, alongside with a custom rim. Love it. So one thing I really love about Rhinoshield is how good the cases look, at the same time protection. It's got amazing impact absorption for the cases. It's got this hexagonal design inside the cases within, so it can absorb the impact when you drop your phones, if you drop your phones. And the cool thing is this thing can withstand drops from around 11 feet. And to be completely honest with you, I've seen YouTube videos where people have dropped their phones from way more higher and it survived thanks to Rhinoshield. That's cool.
Apprehensive myself, getting up that high, opening up the door, and then looking out will definitely give you second thoughts, so it was time to let the iPhone fly. I think the drop test, like, we're supposed to be like maybe 20-30 feet. This was 500. It's still recording! No way! Holy moly! So, after a 500-foot drop test, the iPhone is not only alive, but it's recording.
I'm gonna unbox the phones first. I'm gonna start off with the Rhinoshield SolidSuit for the iPhone X. The tab on the top, just pop it up and voila, it opens up to the case. Simple as. Is there any paperwork or anything? Nope. Oh, you can, okay, there's a little film on the back, a little ASMR. Very nice. So when Rhinoshield asked me to pick the type of case, I picked the carbon fiber finish. So the SolidSuit case is your typical normal case with the added protection. So for the SolidSuit cases, you get to pick, obviously it doesn't come in only black, it comes with multiple colors. You can pick black or red or blue or white or whatever colors that they come with. And if you don't care about the color, you get to pick multiple finishes on the back. The one that you're looking at right now is the carbon fiber finish. So according to their website, there's black oak, leather, a brushed steel finish, and the carbon fiber one, which is the one that I picked. It feels very comfortable in the hand. It's very very flexible, pretty flexible. It's not like very sturdy like the quad lock case. Another cool thing about this case is the fact that you can customize the buttons. You can have a different color towards the buttons. You can have maybe blue over here and red over here, whatever you want. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So the installation of the case is fairly simple. You put it in each corner, bottom first, and then the top, and then you pop the top. Look at that. Simple. Okay, I like this. It's got the raised lip on the edges, which is what you want for your iPhone, so that if you drop your phone face forward, it will protect your screen. It's very nice. It's got like a premium feel to it. The buttons are very clicky. This is the thing that I like about Rhinoshields, that they know how to do their buttons, because I've seen cases that really struggle at that department. For example, the quad lock case, amazing case, but the buttons are so sturdy and solid that sometimes you can't feel the tactile response, which is kind of annoying. So I'm glad that this one's more tactile, easy to press, and of course the mute switch. It's got a really large hole, so you get to access it easily. I like it. Now, what's different from the Mod NX compared to the SolidSuit? Well, it's kind of in the name, it's modular. So there's multiple modes that you can have this case at. So you can have the typical standard case mode and the bumper mode. So the Rhinoshield Mod NX gives you the flexibility of customizing so many aspects to the case. You get to change the color of the bumper, the color of the rim, the color of the buttons, and the main part that you can customize is the backplate. Rhinoshield has a range of designs in your store that you can pick from, and they've got a lot of collaborations as well that you get to pick from. For example, the PewDiePie one, which I love. I'm so glad that I got some like a merch from his. So this is his design, and the cool part is it comes with his little signature at the bottom, which I really appreciate that. And if you don't like what you see in the Rhinoshield store, well, guess what? You get to customize your own pictures onto the backplate. So for example, you want to put a family picture, a picture of your girlfriend, your puppy, your dog, your friends, or certain pictures of a memory that you want to cherish, you can put the picture on the backplate. Very cool. So yeah, let's get to unboxing this guy. So as usual, it's got a little tab over here. Just pop it open and voila. And this one comes in the black color buttons, which I said you can customize. And it's got the hexagonal design in the interior parts. Very nice. So yeah, let's pop it on. So now I'm going to show you the bumper case mode. So once you remove the case from the packaging, it comes with, as you can see over here, the rim. Don't take it off. So all you gotta do, same thing, pop it each corner first, and pop it over here, and then on the top. Easy. Oh, this feels very nice. So while you're putting, the rim might come out a bit, so you can just readjust it later on. Simple as. It feels just like the Crashguard NX, but now it's just black. Buttons just as tactile, very comfortable to hold. The area for your mute switch, very accessible, very nice. So now I'm going to switch it to the standard mode with the backplate attached. Okay, let me remove this first. Oh, it's like that. All right. Put this aside. Okay, a little ASMR for you guys. Very nice. Wow, I love the design of this. It looks so good. Wow, it looks really nice. All right, so to put your backplate on, you first got to remove the rims. So you got to remove the rims first, which is quite simple. It comes off just like that, and then you just insert the backplate where the rim was, and you're good to go. You'll know that it's in once you feel all the clicks on the edges. So voila, once you're done, you can just slot it back in as normal, each corner in first, and then the top, and voila. Ooh, I like this so much. Ooh, Ooh, I like this so much. Wow, this looks good. Ooh, it feels a lot nicer in the hand. Mainly because now you got this smooth grip. I like this a lot. It's very, very nice. I think I'm gonna be leaving this as it is. Maybe I'll change the buttons with the Crashguard. So if you want to change the buttons, all you gotta do is just press it in and it'll just pop off just like that. And once you've obtained your new case, just plop it back in and you're good to go. So that's the cool thing about Rhinoshield, of how customizable their cases are. It not only feels good in the hand, it protects your phone really well, and it looks good, very good. So yeah, that is the SolidSuit and the Mkbhd NX case for the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 10. Now obviously Rhinoshield provides cases for a whole range of phones, from Samsungs to your Oppos to your Huawei's to even OnePlus. Alright, I'm gonna set this aside, and well, the next one is for your Apple Watch. The Apple Watch, fairly simple. The case that I have is a unique case which doesn't go well with this band, but this is the only case that I was able to find. And a lot of the Apple Watch cases that I have seen have been fairly chunky, and I just don't like the design. And this is the only good looking one that I was able to find, and it's white. So yeah, but not gonna lie, this is a very good case. So for the Rhinoshield case, it comes in this box and it has this added rim, just like the cases for your phones. This thing also has military grade protection with the added choice of customizing the color of the case and the rim. Unboxing this. Ooh. Okay, got some. Okay. Got some instructions on how to change the rim and install the thing. Alright, and there you go. This is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna try to put the Apple Watch in. Plop it in, easy peasy. Oh, I love how the accent red rim it makes it pop. Plus the red and black strap will really go well with this. So that was the Rhinoshield cases that they've sent me. I love them. So you got the SolidSuit, the Mkbhd NX, and the Crashguard NX for the Apple Watch. Amazing cases. So yeah, now we're at the end of the video, which means I get to tell you about the discount code for you. If you head on over to the Rhinoshield website through the link in the description and you purchase yourself, for example, the Mkbhd NX, the SolidSuit, and this, once you're at the checkout, you got to put the discount code that is on the screen right here. It's YT Surya 2507, if I'm not mistaken. You get to enjoy yourselves a 10% discount on your next purchase. And I'd like to point out that you'll only be able to use this discount code once, so one person, one discount code, one time. That's it. This discount code will last a year from this video, when this video published. The discount code will last till the 25th of July 2022. So that's all I gotta say about the Rhinoshield cases that they've sent me. I'd like to thank Rhinoshield for giving me this amazing opportunity to review their amazing cases. I hope I get to do something like this in the future with you guys, so fingers crossed. So yeah, head on over to Rhinoshield through the links given in the description. Get your own cases. Do leave a comment on what you think is the best case that you've ever used. Of course, don't forget to share the video or like the video, and of course the most important part that allows me to do videos like this, subscribe to the channel. It's not that hard, it's just a click of a button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified on my future videos. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.